sum function. Then enter the equal to sign followed by the function name and the open brackets. So let's see in our example. Let's say I need a total salary paid to all the employees in the organization. So I have the employee list and their salary detail. So how do I start it? Column, which is H to H. So I select the H to H column, close the bracket and press enter. It gives me the total salary paid by the organization to all its employees, which is 15,53,825 rupees. You must have noticed that
Or maybe looking up some words on our spreadsheet. Let's start talking about the interface in Excel 2019. First thing I want to point out is this green box over here. I'm going to go ahead and click on A1 here. Now, how I knew that, A1. I want to point out the fact that in the Excel interface, that you know what cell you're on by looking up at the name box over here. It gives you the cell address of the green border. Now, next to the name box,
let's go ahead and start at the top left of your screen and we'll work our way down. The first thing I want to point out is this whole line right here, which is what we call the quick access toolbar. We're kind of getting away from the term. Let's go ahead and start at the top left of your screen and we'll work our way down. The first thing I want to point out is this whole line right here, which is what we call the quick access toolbar. Is the top left of your screen.